We have been working with our clients to streamline their HR processes to enable business transformation. And there is one thing that comes up constantly. When we talk about HR, many still think it's about hiring, policies, and paperwork. But in reality, HR plays much bigger role. It has the power to shape culture, drive engagement, and directly impact the business success. Today, I want to take this opportunity to discuss some of the common HR pitfalls that can break or make an organization. This is important on two spheres. Firstly, how to identify them, and most importantly, second is knowing how to avoid them. Too often, organizations solely focus on performance metrics, avoiding the people behind the results. A disengaged workforce could lead to lower productivity, higher turnover, and even burnout. What you should do is to prioritize employee experience. Actively listen through regular feedbacks. Invest in work-life balance initiatives. And foster a culture where employees feel valued. Because at the end of the day, happy employees drive successful businesses. Think about this. Have you worked in an environment where nobody knows what's going on? Miscommunication breeds to confusion, errors, and even toxicity. Here, transparency is the key. When you keep teams informed, set clear expectations, you create a culture where employees feel safe to speak up. Eventually, connected workforce is a productive one. That's where hiring right becomes important. While technical expertise is essential, hiring solely based on skills without considering cultural alignment can disrupt team dynamics and engagement. To address this, take a holistic approach to hiring. Look for adaptability, attitude, and passion for company's mission. Skills can be trained, but values and mindset are inbuilt and drive long-term success. In spite of this, if you are losing your best talent, you may be missing on an important part. Most of the companies focus more on hiring than retention. This can be an expensive mistake in the long run. Build a proactive retention plan. Offer clear career growth opportunities. Create meaningful engagement programs. Cultivate a strong workplace culture. Employees who feel invested in your organization will stay and thrive. Hi, I'm Padma Lohana, founder and director of Hivestep HR Consulting, and I believe that HR isn't about policies, it is about people. And when done right, it can create a workplace where employees feel engaged, empowered, and motivated to succeed. What are some of the HR challenges you have faced? Tell me in comments.